My name is Mareta Tikoisuva Vusonitolalau. I am a lawyer by profession. I practice here in Suva. Yes, I speak French. I learned French in New Caledonia. It's a French territory in the Pacific. I lived there for 6 years. As a teenager, my father worked for SPC then. And I went to school there, to Lycée La Pérouse. And that's where I learned the language. No, I haven't visited France, but I'd like to. I plan to visit France someday. I love French cuisine. I like all the French dishes, but I like particularly French pastries. Back in school, we'd have the pain au chocolat or the pain au raisin. Those were my favorites in school, and that has always stayed with me. Of course, I'd love to visit Paris, Tour Eiffel. It's always been a dream, and visit friends that are in France, wherever they live in France. And most particularly, I'd like to visit Lourdes. As a Christian, that's my favorite place to visit in France.